So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can import only video or only audio, or if you're facing the issue that you're not able to import the video and audio together, how you can do all of it. Now I'm going to show you in one video. Now in order to do it, let's say if I want to add just video of it, now just simply double click that clip on the media pool, and here you will see this option that says insert video and audio. Click over there, and here you will find multiple options that says insert video and audio, insert video only, and insert audio only. Now if I select insert video only, now if I drag and drop this clip, it will only drag and drop the video, or if I want the audio as well, I just simply need to double click or hit on it again, and I need to enable the audio option from this list as well. Or if I want the both of these option, I can just simply select this option that says insert video and audio, and now if I drag and drop, it will drag and drop the audio and video together.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.